specializations within law that you can pursue. We'll be going over some of these specializations, the broad domains, one by one. Let's start by discussing the most common type of law, which is the criminal law. You would have seen in movies that there is a defense lawyer and there is a prosecution lawyer, right? So these lawyers then collect evidence, they work with the police, they question witnesses, they argue the case on the basis of facts and evidence, right? So that's criminal law. Then there's something called civil law. Now, civil law is to solve disputes between people where one person's rights have been violated, or a contract, or particularly, there is a problem in the family. All of these come under civil law. Another sought after specialization within law is corporate law. So if you're a corporate lawyer, you would be working with different companies. You would try to, deal with issues like mergers and acquisitions. You would try to formulate contracts between these different companies, how these contracts should be implemented, what are the privileges that different companies get, what are the responsibilities of each party. All of those will be covered in this type of law. Another common specialization within law is tax law. Now, you know that different kinds of taxes are levied on different types of goods, right? So particularly there's goods and services tax, there is real estate tax, there is income tax. All of the issues with respect to inheritance or calculation of private income, or particularly filing taxes and any disputes that arise. International law is another specialization that you can look at. The relationship between different countries is pretty complex, and because of that there is a demand for specialists in this area. So as globalization has improved, you know that the trade relationships between different countries has also improved. There are issues related to customs and tariffs and drawing treaties, particularly between countries, right? So specialists in this area work on areas like these. Another specialization that you can definitely pursue is intellectual property law. This is the specialization that deals with patents, copyrights, trademarks, and giving rights for any new invention. These also are to deal with, particularly giving exclusive rights to particular parties for logos or brand names or particular, artwork. All of these areas are things that intellectual property rights lawyers deal with. In this age where everything is done online, there is also online crime that is committed. This is known as cybercrime, and the specialization of law that deals with cybercrime is cyber law. Now, these crimes could be against the government or against individuals or particularly against organizations. You would have heard about information being stolen or leaked and then that information being misused. In these kind of situations, it is lawyers who specialize in legal aspects of cyber law who come into the picture and deal with those cases. There is also environmental law. These are lawyers who deal with the impact of human activities on the environment. This could be relating to land, air, water, conservation of wildlife, illegal trade of wild animals, or particularly water pollution. Areas like that are where environmental lawyers come into the perspective. There are different fields within law. You can pick and choose your specialization from a number of different areas, and you can work in whichever area that you identify with and you are passionate about.